in 2025, which is quite lucky to you, since you have the most luckiest start. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born the following year, your zodiac is a rabbit, which is a 1939, 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, and 2011. So if you are born in those years, your zodiac is a rabbit, and in 2025, which is quite lucky to you, since you have the most luckiest start this year, which is called Feng. And this start is more in favor to your career, to your financial luck. So let's say if you are working for somebody, so this year is good for you. You have a more like a challenging job, but that one will create some good impact to you. So it's good for you to explore your career path, or if you want to quit your job to get a better one, maybe this year is also a good year for you to take a look. And also, if you want to start your own business, 2025 is also a good year for you to choose it. And if you already are a boss, in 2025 is also a good year for you to get some change. Maybe have a new branches, launch a new product, or have a new investor to go to your company, so you can also consider it. So in 2025 is a good year for you to expand. So you need to use this lucky timing to do that. So it's good for you. And since this Feng is in favor to your career, so you can make use of it. But let's say if you want to go to gambling or do some like a risky investment, this start is not really good for you. So it's just for you to like invest like a normally, but not in a like a high risk status. So in terms of the investment luck, you need to really take a look and then keep it like a more not too conservative, but not too aggressive. Just in the middle, that will be fine. Okay, in terms of the love energy, so this year the love energy is normal, it's not too bad, it's not too good. And in terms of the health, because since you have a fee in a special start which is affecting you, the first one is a Thiên狗, and then the second is a Tiêu Hat, the last one is a Joy Sat. This free start is not really good for those health energy, so you need to keep it like a good living standard, living style. Try to quit those like a bad habit and then create like a healthy lifestyle. That should be fine. And if you want to further boost your luck, this year you can find the Zodiac dog, because it's always good for you. And in terms of like a personal, let's say if you want to find someone to help you in your personal life, so that dog is the best option. Okay, in terms of the business, so that pig and so that goat will help your business. And try to avoid the so that rooster, rat, and dragon. That will be good. And you can use more your like a lucky timing, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. are your lucky timing. Try to use more like those timing, that will help. And from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. are your like a unlucky timing. So anything important, don't schedule on those like a bad luck timing. Try to schedule on those lucky timing. That will really help you. Okay, I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching. Thank you. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.